Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what error code 319 in Roblox. So let's get started. Error code 319 is a connection-related error that usually appears when Roblox fails to connect your device to a game server. It can happen because of a poor internet connection, server issues, or temporary problems with the Roblox app. Here are some methods you can try to fix it. First, check your internet connection. If you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. If you're already on Wi-Fi, restart your router and try joining the game again. Next, completely close Roblox and reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the app fixes temporary connection problems. If that doesn't work, restart your phone or computer and launch Roblox again. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox. If an update is available, install it from the App Store, Google Play Store, or Microsoft Store. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.